Okay, ikaw muna first. Ikaw muna first. Ikaw muna first. Ikaw muna first. Ano sabihin mo? Ano sabihin mo dito?
Hi guys. Today we're playing Escape Granny. I don't know this is.
Yeah, we're flying with my cousin. But
I want to play with.
no.
Guys, you should follow me in Roblox.
Yeah.
I'll create
Be quiet! Pardon me.
Ano? You, guys, you
I said
should,
I will create YouTube channel.
yeah, guys, subscribe to my cousin and
I said
follow
I will
him
I said just I will follow. I will follow.
follow.
I will follow whoever subscribes. Share.
Guys, follow my cousin. Her username is me, Freedy.
It's me, Pretty 39.
Freedy 39. It's me, Freedy 39. By the way, let me tell you a story. When I was alone in school, I feel a bit sick.
Sick?
Yeah, sick.
It's a good.
And I
Magtagalog ka na
wanted
lang.
to sleep.
Sleep.
And my teacher named Serges. She point a laser on me and wake up me. I feel so sad because I wanted to sleep. When is mape lesson? My teacher point her finger on me
Guys,
to answer
what is the hardest subject in your school?
science.
Mine is math.
Science.
Math.
Math is easy for me.
Maybe if you get grade 7, it's getting harder. If you get grade 6, it's hard. Than grade
Grade 4. Na
Grade 4 is easy. In science is easy.
I'm grade 5
It's smarter than me.
really so
What
many.
is times and
No, I will ask you. I will ask you a question. What is porcupine?
huh?
Porcupine.
45?
I don't know. Just answer. What is porcupine? Or just spell porcupine.
I didn't even know it because we didn't lesson it.
It's from America. Their lesson is the porcupine.
Okay, what is answer my question first?
Okay.
What is L times 4
Hmm?
2 centimeter cm square
Zero.
times 2
Zero.
cm square
Zero.
equals times. It's times.
Zero.
No, it's easy.
1.
No,
28.
no,
45.
no.
Then what?
It's easy.
Then what?
It's 4 centimeter square.
I never know.
It's 4 square centimeter.
I
It's
never,
easy, I told you.
I never
It's
know
just
that.
times.
Okay.
It's easy than
What is this shit? Mama, let me. I'm faster than Grandma.
What is happening? So say it's hot dog. Parang lang yun.
Ay, You turn. Okay, ano ko na to? Oh my God.
Very cool.
What's happening here? Grandma! Stop chasing me. What the heck? What's happening? Oh my God, I'm lagging. Oh my God, I'm lagging. That's what's happening in your phone? It's lagging. Just keep running so very. It's lagging. I can even see it. Ah! Huh? Wait, guys. Yo, Connie, you're so very fast. You're old. I mean, Connie. What the hell is this? Who the hell is this? Hagasi.
It's a player.
I think it's a earbud.
Player.
Huh?
One day.
Cookie. Nom nom. Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh.
Done recording.
Huh? No, please. I'm not for the Fuck. Oh, fuck. What did I do? I think this dude is waiting for me. Why everyone can? Why?
Play.
Okay. Why?
Oh look! And that's happening. Oh look! What's happening? What the heck?
Oh!
Diretso siya.
Why famous people that's getting exposed? Why they they don't do anything. They're just making video that's make you happy.
What the heck? What's happening?
You should hold the phone.
Get out in my way! The heck? Did you push me? I will push you too.
Don't be so your voices.
Shut up. What the heck happening? Exactly. Ah! It's always happening. Let me join on you. What the heck?
Ah, you're so bad at OD. Wait, don't leave me. Wait lang. Ito muna.
What's happening? I will done recording.
Say goodbye, everyone. Please leave a like, subscribe,
Like and subscribe and comment down below.
down below, or I will eat your cookies.
Bye guys.
Bye bye. See you again in my next video.